guys, what's popping? YouTube Panda here. So I got the 9,999 miles per hour spinner. So first off, what I need to tell you is I am starting, well, not a new channel, but I'm starting to do new stuff on this channel. And what I'm basically going to do is some gaming, and some other stuff is like reviews on news and stuff. So like if something big happened, or like a YouTuber just hit a certain amount of subs and they're all happy about it, everybody's talking about it, I'm going to talk about it, you know? And basically that's what's it. And I'm also going to be like showing tutorials on stuff like that, but mostly gaming. That's what you need to know. So that's starting after this video, and stuff with like creative stuff like fidget spinners. Anyways, I'm going to start doing comedy too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this thing. So can we zoom in this mode? No, we can't. Okay. I'll zoom in. Don't worry. Watch. Ready? It's spinning. You guys need a better camera. Let's watch that. Ready for this, guys?